Hello, everyone, and welcome or welcome back. It is my pleasure to introduce our next speaker of the day. Next up, we have Kim Warner, and she is the VP of Business Development at Sentio Solutions. Today, her talk is entitled Sentio Solutions, Digital Therapeutics and Biomarkers for Mental Health. Please welcome to our virtual stage, Kim Warner. Okay, Kim, I'm just going to turn my video off and you can share your slides and take it away.
Okay, thank you, Morgan. Hello, everyone. Happy to be here. And like Morgan said, I am the VP of Business Development for Sentio Solutions. Sentio Solutions is the maker of the FEEL program, a holistic mental health program that combines technology and science to improve a person's emotional state, delivering real-time mental health support when they need it most. The FEEL program combines the recognized science of cognitive behavioral therapy with physiologically derived objective data. What this means is that Sentio Solutions is making the connection between mind and body, lending individuals a new lens through which to evaluate emotions and providing relevant tools to improve their mental health. If we look at the current paradigm, there's no objective measurement for mental health. Every other medical practice has objective measurement tools: a thermometer, a stethoscope, blood pressure monitor, glucose meter. These are all examples. But we don't intervene until it's too late, leading to delays in diagnosis and treatment. The average delay between symptom onset and treatment in mental illness is 11 years. At Sentio Solutions, we're changing how care is delivered using a wrist-worn emotion monitoring device and machine learning algorithms. Our solution enhances traditional care by measuring physiological data via our wearable and using that data to inform care with a licensed therapist. Our proprietary sensors and algorithms are commercially available for individuals with mild to moderate anxiety or depression. We're also in the process of using our technology to explore and validate other mental health conditions like ADHD, PTSD, and bipolar. Our innovative technology allows a user to make that mind-body connection. Our set of wearable sensors like sweat, heartbeat, and skin temperature provides insight and awareness to an individual's emotions they would not normally have access to. This level of insight allows for pattern recognition of our thoughts and behaviors. Through awareness, intervention, and practice, a person can replace maladaptive patterns with a healthier mindset. The FEEL program is designed for individuals with mild to moderate anxiety or depression. The program consists of 5 components. First, the FEEL emotion sensor. It's an emotion tracking wearable device that detects and quantifies a person's emotional changes. Second is our machine learning algorithms, which generate emotion alerts based on the collected physiological signals. Third is the FEEL mobile app, which responds to those changes and deploys real-time interventions. Fourth, we have a licensed therapist for weekly 15-minute check-ins. And fifth, our proprietary 16-week program. The application of the program is that the participant would wear the wristband, and when an emotion is detected, the wristband will gently vibrate and notification is sent to the mobile phone. The participant is prompted to complete a journal log within the FEEL app. The journal log consists of 5 specific questions. What was the emotion? Name it. What was the intensity of the emotion on a scale of 1 to 10? What was the event that occurred? What were the thoughts racing through your mind? And what behaviors were you inclined to engage in? These answers are captured and shared with the licensed therapist. The journal logs are the basis of the work between the therapist and the participant. Our therapists are trained on our proprietary 16-week protocol and are employed by Sentio. Engagement in our solution is 3 to 5 times higher than other therapies. In between each weekly session, participants are engaging over 40 times with the app. And of those interactions, they are completing over 15 mental health exercises. Most significant is that 90% of our notifications are converted to a mental health action. This means that 9 times out of 10, when we send an emotional notification, the user is accepting and responding to that notification. We also have a customer satisfaction score of 4.8 out of 5 and 90% weekly active user rate. With such high engagement, we see clinically significant outcomes with a 67% reduction in PHQ-9 or depression scores, a 69% reduction in GAD-7 or anxiety scores, and a 27% increase in life satisfaction. This is over the 16-week course without any medication. Our participants have provided feedback in line with learning, growing, and changing their lives. Last bit of information I'd like to leave you with is a teaser about a study that we conducted during COVID. At the time preceding and throughout the early stages of the coronavirus pandemic, Sentio Solutions had users wearing our emotional sensor and participating in our field program. These participants were independent of anything related to COVID-19. However, we've gone back and done a retrospective analysis of the changes in emotion states as a result of the pandemic. The objective of our analysis is to explore the impact of the pandemic and the global shelter-in-place measures on people's emotional health. Our analysis consisted of individuals across the US and Europe. We collected 128 million electrodermal activity samples, 400 million heart rate variability samples, 64 million skin temperature samples, and approximately 900 significant emotional moments. What we found were radical changes in the emotional states. You can find the full study and the analysis on our booth as a downloadable at the Expo section in the AI4 conference. We know that this has been an advent of unprecedented times. Individuals have been exposed to a new set of triggers and stressors which many were not accustomed to. At Sentio Solutions, we are passionate about changing the way we approach mental health, not only for this COVID era, but in all aspects of mental health. Our mission is to remove the suffering from mental illness, and we will do this by challenging the current paradigm and leveraging science's greatest advancements. Of course, we could not do any of this without our talented and dedicated team, our research partners, and our investors and advisors. So thank you to everyone who has participated.
Okay, that was so great. Thank you so much, Kim. That was so interesting. That was great.
You're welcome.
Okay, well, everyone, please give another virtual round of applause to Kim, and hope you enjoyed it. And stick around for your next session or check out one of our virtual booths, and have a great time.